Stop wasting time on flat bench only. Here's how to grow a massive chest fast. Exercise 1. Incline barbell bench press. Most people begin their chest training with the flat bench press, which often leaves the upper chest underdeveloped. The incline barbell press is one of the most powerful exercises for building the upper chest. To perform it, lie back on an incline bench and grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Slowly lower the barbell to the upper chest, then drive it upward while contracting your pectoral muscles. Perform for sets of 10 to 12 representatives. Exercise 2. Incline dumbbell axe press. This move targets and strengthens the upper portion of your chest. Position yourself on an incline bench and select dumbbells suited to your strength level. Hold the dumbbells in a neutral, hammer grip. Press their weights upward, focusing on squeezing your upper chest at the top. Complete 3 sets of 10 to 12 representatives, gradually increasing the weight with each set. Exercise 3. Low to high cable fly. This fly variation helps create width in the upper chest. Stand centered between the pulleys of a cable crossover machine. Set equal resistance on both sides. Pull their handles upward in an arcing motion from low to high while squeezing the upper chest on each rep. This movement builds a defined line along the top of your chest. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 representatives. Exercise 4. Flat barbell bench press. Adding this exercise midway through the routine ensures a strong pump and supports rapid chest growth. As a compound lift, it activates the entire chest, while also working the shoulders and triceps. Lower the bar to your chest, then press it upward, contracting the pecs hard at the top before lowering again with control. Sets of 10 to 12 representatives. Exercise 5. Machine fly. Machine flies isolate the chest and emphasize the line through the center of the pecs. Adjust the seat height so the handles align with your chest. Begin with light weight, bringing the handles forward together and squeezing your chest, then slowly return to the starting position with a stretch. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 representatives. Exercise 6. Chest dips plus push UPS, Superset. This superset combines 2 powerful bodyweight moves to maximize chest growth and pump. Start with 10 to 15 dips, immediately followed by a set of push-ups to failure without resting. Repeat this sequence for 3 total supersets. These exercises together stimulate muscle growth and build endurance in the chest.